Okay, so this is week 6, assignment 1. So when you go into assignment 1, there are 2 short videos. They're probably 2 minutes each. This week we're learning all about cyberbullying. When you are done watching the videos, if you click on the assignment. Okay, so now, what you are going to be doing while you are watching the video, you need to be writing down the 4 types of bullying and what the definition of those types of bullying are. Because what you're going to be doing, you're not going to be writing this week, you're going to be using the record feature of Schoology. So over here, when you go to submit assignment, okay, it is going to look something like this. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. And down here at the bottom, there are some things that you can do. There's a file and a link, and this one here is audio and video recording. So what you will do is you'll click on it, and we're only going to do audio. So you're going to click on audio, and then you would click start recording. The 4 types of cyberbullying are, when you're done, you're going to click on stop, and then it will insert the recording so that I can see it. Yours might show up here. Like I said, I do not have a student version, so I'm not exactly sure. I do know you can do this. Once you're done, then you can hit submit and it should come to me. The audio should have the 4 types of bullying and what the definition of each one is. If you have any questions, please message me, and I hope you are having a wonderful week.